Hello, my people. How una dey? Also, na dey fine. At least una never hear. Una never hear say Abat they don't give Abat don't receive letter. He don't release. He don't receive some letter. She no letter talk come out. I go put the video for na make una watch. Abat no kegbe alazi no ruwe na you come. Wa okponu gbe kan star. I tell you. Wa okponu gbe kan we person wey dey you we no near you for live am. No be politician, no be anything. You say no, whoever any, you must find something come out for inside there. You get what you they find, they go, and that thing you go see am. Like people as I come they waka they go now I can see what here. I can see Cassie. Now know that man wey be say he dey draw Abat, he dey see or have a lawyer. That one. Now he come bring the video, come and say he get one day wey be say Abat dey for live video. As he dey for live video, he can't receive letter. That letter when he receive an I can't change for I will still put the video una see am for them. So the thing call like wetin dey happen. They don't give us a letter for UK. About you go here where you go now I think that UK where you dey na dey for agbaga we amuari owa. Agbagda we dey na amuari owa. As you say people wey dey around you egbe okinya egbe we egbe okuwe where emi omo no where yen vision yen vie egbe onyemi owe emi owe na owe pokpo vie owe pokpo vie. Make I put the video for now, make una watch. Please send me to love and like and share this video. As I see this video, I say make I bring her come. Abat, get ready. Wow. Why way? When no water way, you want draw this one down. You want draw this one down. Everybody they look you like this. Anyanya. Now your tongue. Now you reach so. Wow, me. Una bye bye, my people.
Abat obazeno meme. I told you I was going to come for you after election. Yes. Okay. When I watch this video, before I talk to her,
I'll discuss this letter. Now, cut paper with this for this UK. Jared mentioned my name yesterday. Today I received cut paper for UK. But I don't go mention the person's name. I don't give her that level. When the time comes, we will know. Cut paper, let me so. This morning I receive one. Case maybe for now when they say a lie. Now you're showing us something here. Now try to cover something. Now let this one show now first. See how? You see how so? See like that. You see how so? We'll leave her like this first. My name is Azuwa.
I don't say he say no one show the name of the person where he swam. I'm happy the letter met you in a good condition. Yes. Tell the world saying I miss you. Abat, tell the word saying na me case is sue you for UK. Tell the word. Abat, I say tell the word saying na me sue you for UK. Well, for your information, well, I think you don't know what will happen to you. Maybe you never dream, ma'am. You supposed don't dream, and they supposed don't tell you now. You don't get strong person for family. When they tell you say Abat, you don't finish, oh, you are next, oh, because now we are done with Obaseki and Asoin. You are next. We want to teach you lesson. You want to know the meaning of politics. Now you want to know the meaning of politics. All those times when they pursue an amigo, they use the threatener. We are here, we are close to his hotel. Yeah, yes. Now, where an amigo no call Nigeria. Now you want to know the real meaning of that thing. Yes. Now you want to feel the submarine of evil you have been doing. You see how life they change. Yesterday you were on power. Una guga na tewe ode ana tewe ode na tell say wa de ba but you know you say for the azwa oga for your information na 14 court 17 court order na they wait for you for Nigeria. Inside that 17 3 don't already get court judgment to pick you at any time. Yeah, you know you get luck say you know come Nigeria now. Like say you come during election. Maybe now from prison you for the shout hug it. I dare you come to Nigeria and I dare you read out the person that sue you in UK. Tell the people what they fear to measure the name. When I tell you say about 3 more letters they come again, court suing, they come again. 3. I tell you say if I get your time, you go cry. Although they pour time for body, they do no. What you just saw is just it's testing the microphone, testing the that's what you just saw. That is what you just saw. He has a few asan, a UK ni to a young man. He has a few asan. You insult everybody. You say you be untouchable. Aswan is coming. We are claiming our mandate. Though people are not looking for any stolen mandate. Now, Tifa, now I know we are go keep up. We have gotten our mandate. Our mandate is with us. Our mandate is Senator Monday Okpewuru. Never see anything. Jarrett, they come for you. Jarrett Tenenbe, they come for you. You also receive that one on. Jarrett Tenenbe, they come for you. UK no yeni. Since they say they know if we beat you, we'll use court paper. By the time you don't go court, reach like 10 times. Maybe your lawyers will day here. By the time you don't they pay your lawyers to go represent you. Next time, you be careful how you insult and drag people name to the mud, lie on people. You know what they even they pay me say for your matter. Say now the lie where they lie for people head now they pay me. Who you ever fight for this time? You don't ever see any Igbo man where you go your come online. You go drag this Igbo brother down. You go drag the other Igbo brother down. Drag the other Igbo brother down. Drag the other Igbo brother down. Drag any Igbo person where you see say you better go one drag. You don't ever see Igbo people they do that nonsense. God has blessed Edo people where you go use your platform to build up. What you they do? You they drag the ones where be great people. You they drag them down. You they drag them down. Anything where no favor, you go drag them down. The connection no come from you, go drag them down. You not be you introduce the person, you go drag them down. Not be you want to pay the person, you go drag them down. I say they give you the money, say take your inside, give this person. Hey, then that person you take free for your hand. Anyone from that one, no will you see your life now. See, so I want to do this your matter now. Because your people they call me, see, they say, Cassie, I beg. With Jonah say, no, I'm going to deal with you. I told them I will deal with Abat. They beg me, they call me from this place. They say, calm down, now Cassie, no, Cassie Abat, now your boy now. Now I say, no, I will deal with Abat. I will teach Abat a little lesson. So I will teach him a little lesson. You know, say, I tell you, I say, you never know the meaning why they call me the lion killer. You know understand? Now you just see so. Anytime you lose an election, a lion is down. Yes. See, they don't lose for tribunal. I told you we useless you in this social media. Never see anything.